This video tutorial I will cover how to configure the Spring Beans using Java configuration class. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties, ID and name, and getter and setter methods for these two properties. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the configuration class. Spring container read this configuration class and it creates employee object. Configure the employee object by calling setter methods and put the employee object in the Spring container. Name of the employee object is employee. Using this name, we can get employee object from Spring container. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Java configuration class using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying that. Here you can see the output. For this Java configuration class, the corresponding Spring configuration XML is this one.